Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use medium treat in your Goa garden. First, carefully observe your plants for any signs of distress or nutrient needs. Next, gather all your essential tools, including protective gloves, a precise measuring cup, and a watering can. It's crucial to ensure the soil around your plants is adequately moist before you begin the application process. This preparation helps the treatment work effectively. Now, let's apply the medium treat. Begin by accurately measuring the recommended amount, typically found on the product label. Then, mix this measured treat with the specified volume of water, ensuring it's thoroughly dissolved. Gently pour the solution around the base of each plant, aiming for even distribution. Avoid direct contact with leaves unless the product specifies foliar application. After applying the medium treat, a little post-care goes a long way. Lightly water your plants again. This helps the treatment penetrate the soil and reach the roots effectively. Be careful not to overwater, as excessive water can dilute or wash away the beneficial compounds. Finally, securely store any unused product in a cool, dry location, away from direct sunlight and out of reach of children or pets. In the weeks following the application, closely monitor your plants for signs of improvement. Look for vibrant new growth, a richer leaf color, and an overall increase in plant vigor. These are indicators that the medium treat is working. Remember to reapply the treatment only according to the product's recommended schedule, typically every few weeks or months, to maintain optimal plant health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.